This is exactly what the MCAT will ask about neurons. At the top of the neuron, at the cell body, we have all of these blue things, and what these are ligand-gated sodium channels. When a ligand binds to them, and oftentimes this will be something like a neurotransmitter, they're going to open up and they're going to allow sodium to move into the cell. If that happens to enough of these channels and we have enough sodium, then the sodium will diffuse down to that area of the neuron, which is called the axon hillock. Starting at the axon hillock, we have these red things, and the red things are voltage-gated sodium channels. If enough sodium diffuses down here, it's going to raise the voltage enough that those red channels are going to open up and they're going to allow sodium to flow through them. That will raise the voltage in that area, which causes the next red channels to open up. That continues down the entire axon, and we have sodium coming in at every red channel. At the bottom of the neuron, we have these purple things, and the purple things are voltage-gated calcium channels. When all of that sodium gets down here, it's going to raise the voltage of that area of the neuron and open up those purple channels to allow calcium to move into the neuron. Waiting inside at the end of the neuron at these highlighted regions are a bunch of vesicles. Here's one of those highlighted regions zoomed in, and here are some vesicles. The calcium that rushes in will bind to those vesicles and cause them to move to the cell membrane. Inside the vesicles is a bunch of neurotransmitters, and the vesicle is going to merge with the membrane and expel all of those neurotransmitters out. The neurotransmitters will then go to a neighboring cell that has ligand-gated channels. The exact changes that happens depend on the particular cell that those neurotransmitters are traveling to. But a very common example is that these neurotransmitters are acetylcholine, and they will go and activate a muscle cell. The last channel on the neuron that we didn't address are these green things. As sodium enters this highlighted region, the voltage inside is going to raise, and remember, that's what causes the opening of the other sodium channels. But once it raises to a high enough level, it's going to open the green channels, which are voltage-gated potassium channels. And when those open, potassium is going to flow out of the cell.